Telegram is a communication app available for iOS, Android, and PC. In this video, we will show you how you can track and search for best flight options using Telegram. Open the app on your mobile device. Tap on Search button in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the search bar at the top and search for a bot called AirTrack. Tap on the bot to start a chat with it. This bot allows you to find the best flights as well as track their prices. Tap on Start button at the bottom. The bot will ask you to pick a language you want to use for the chat. Tap on one of the provided languages. Next, select your country. Tap on the menu button at the bottom. You will see a menu that contains different commands and their functions for this bot. Here we are using economy class as example for the video, however all the other options will also work similarly. Next, select the type of flight you want to search. Send the name of your departure city in this chat. Pick the name from the list at the bottom. Now, type your destination and send it in the chat. You will be asked to specify the date of your departure. Send the date for your return flight. After a few seconds, you will get a reply from the bot containing the best flight options for the specified time and place. You can view the different data related to the flights like departure and arrival time, number of stops and the price for tickets. To buy the ticket for the flight, tap on this button. Tap on Open button in the pop-up to open in browser. To use this website, tap and hold here so the website can verify that you are not a robot. This website allows you to buy the tickets you saw in the Telegram bot chat by tapping on Select button at the bottom. You can easily make any changes you want for the date of arrival and departure by tapping on this button. Use these buttons to increase or decrease the flight dates. Now tap on Search button to search for the new flight tickets. Wait a few seconds to let the bot search for the best tickets available for you. You can check the hotel prices and discounts for your destination by tapping on this link. This website allows you to view and book the different hotel options available. You can tap on this button to apply different filters. Here you can select the different options like price range, star rating and accommodation types.